Hi everyone, this is Kiran Kumar, Senior Lecturer in Physics. I will cover some physics concepts for IIT JEE students. Today I am going to explain one concept in electric charges and fields in 12th class physics. Listen carefully all of you. Today lesson is electric charges and fields. In this lesson, our first concept in this lesson is concept number 1. Okay, let me explain from concept number 1. That concept number 1 is quantization of charge. What is the first concept? Quantization of charge. Quantization of charge is our topic. Okay, so I want to explain this concept with one example. For example, so here from this example, very easily understand. Listen carefully the example. So for in this example, gaining by gaining the electrons, by gaining the electrons. For example, one body gaining one electron. What is charge in the body? The charge in the body is similar to minus 1e. What is the charge of a body? Minus 1e. The same body gains 2 electrons. What is the charge of a body? That is minus 2e. The same body gains 3 electrons, then minus 3. This is a procedure to measure the charge of a body. Otherwise, by losing the electrons, by losing the electrons, the same body loses some electrons, then what is charge of a body? For example, the charge of a body, for example, it loses one electron, then the charge of a body is plus 1 electron. The same body loses 2 electron plus 2e. The same body loses 3 electron plus 3. So, in this way measures the charge of a body. The charge of a body is measured in terms of charge of electron. From these all examples understood, the charge of a body is always measured in terms of charge of electron. That is charge. From this example understood, so charge of a body is always expressed as integral multiple of number of electrons. That is called as quantization of charge. That's why charge is called quantized. Why it is quantized? It always express as integral multiple of number of electrons. That's why called as what? Charge is what? Quantized. So from this concept understood here, that is charge of a body. Charge of a body Q is equal. What is the expression here? Plus or minus Ne. This expression stands charge is quantized. Okay, now Q is called plus or minus Ne. Okay, so here, for example, here you want to understand one point for positive charge. We have two types of charges: positive charge, negative charge. For positive charge, Q is equal to plus Ne. That's all. For negative charge, what is Q is equal to? Minus N. That's the simple X. In this way, we have to express for positive charge plus Ne, for negative charge minus Ne. This is called as charge is quantized. The charge of a body is always expressed as integral multiple of number of electrons. So that is charge of a body. Q is called plus or minus Ne. Okay, so here in the expression, so you want to understand what is N. N stands what here? It stands integral, integer. And is one integer. Integer stands what? One number here. This is stands number. This number stands what? Number of electrons. N stands actually number of electrons. How many number of electrons transfer from one body to another body? If you know, then understand what is charge of a body. So just N stands number of electrons. If you know how many number of electrons transfer from one body to another body, very easily measures. Okay, what is E stands here? E stands what here? Charge of electron. E stands for charge of electron. Charge of electron. What is charge of electron here? It is charge of electron is a primary charge in our universe. It is a basic charge in our universe. Least charge in our universe. The charge of electron value is measured by Millikan's oil drop experiment. Here, from that experiment, measured value is E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. This is the least charge in our universe, that is charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. This is a universal value or a known value. The charge of proton also similar, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. What's the difference? Electron has negative charge whereas proton has positive charge, but here both has same magnet. The charge of electron, charge of proton are similar, but electron has negative charge, proton has positive charge. Electron has negative charge means electron charge is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs, whereas proton charge is plus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. That's the difference. This is called as charge of a. Okay, now it is a known value, N stands here. So here understood one more point, by gaining n number of electrons, n number of electrons, then what here, then the body has when it gains, it has negative charge, then the body has negative charge, that is that negative charge Q is equal to minus N. By losing n number of electrons, what stands here? Then the body has positive charge. That's the difference. Okay, that means that is Q is equal plus N. Just recognize these two expressions is N. This is about charges quantized. I hope you understood. Clear? Am I clear? Clear? Once again, listen to me. Quantization of charge means, from this example, understood charge of a body is always expressed as integral multiple of charge of electron. That is charge of a body Q is equal plus or minus N. Plus stands positive charge, negative stands negative charge. N stands number of electrons. It is one integer number. So one more important point here, this integer number N, it has not fraction value. It has not fraction value. Must and should return. That means N is not fraction value. N is not fraction value means, for example, if you consider charge of a body is called of electron. Is it possible? It is not possible because N is not a fraction value. N is not a fraction value. Of electron is possible? Is not possible. That is, you have to understand. Here, E stands charge of electron, N stands number of electrons. So this number of electrons is not a fraction value. That's important here. Next, charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. By gaining a number of electrons, then the body has negative charge, that is Q is equal minus Na. By losing a number of electrons, then the body has positive charge, that is plus N. Here, for example, if a body loses 2 electrons, then what is charge of a body? Q is equal plus 2E. If a body gains 3 electrons, what is the charge of a body? Minus 3. That's the difference. It loses 3 electrons. 3 electrons means 3. Loses means negative. So, gains means negative charge. Loses means positive charge. It loses 2 electrons plus 2. It loses 3 electrons then plus 3. This is a procedure to measure the charge of the bond. Am I clear? Right. So, I want to explain one numerical based on this concept. Okay. So I want to explain one numerical. Listen carefully. This is a repeated model in JEE Mains. Okay. The question is, the first question, how many number of electrons in a 1 coulomb of charge? What is question? How many number of electrons in a 1 coulomb of charge? What is given value in the question? The charge one. How many number of electrons in a 1 coulomb of charge? That means Q is equal to 1 coulomb. Given is what? Q is equal to 1 coulomb. So here asking how many number of electrons? How many number of means how much? N is how much? So here known value is charge of electron is E is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. It is a known value, that's why it's not given. N is asking, Q is given. What is the formula? Based on this concept, charge is always quantized, means Q is equal to Ne is the formula. Q is equal to Ne. Asking N, write as a subject N is equal to Q by E is the formula. Q is given 1 coulomb, E is given 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. After simplification, you get here 6.25 into 10 power plus 18. So this is number of electrons in a 1 coulomb of charge. 10 power 18 is not a small value, it is a very large value. That means 1 coulomb charge is not a small charge. Which is small charge in our universe? Charge of electron, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. But 1 coulomb is not a small charge. In this way measures, for example, asking how many electrons in 2 coulomb charge, like this, substitute in the formula. How many number of electrons in 1 microcoulomb charge, like these questions are asking based on this concept. Okay. This is about charges on this. That's all. Okay. I will explain remaining concept from my next video. Okay. Thank you. Bye all of you.